Hi, ladies and gents, if there's any watching.
Welcome to our sisterhood. I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
Sisters and Sitches. Sisters and
Sitches?
Real.
We're sisters and sitches.
Hey, I just want, first of all, I want to thank whatever, I forget what subscriber said, like, hey, Debbie, leave your big sister alone when she messes up words.
Sitches. We're sisters and sitches. We're also sisters and stitches.
That too.
Anyway.
All right. Guess what? You'll never guess.
We have another new box to review.
New box.
New box.
See?
It's my new box because we're a new group of girls. We're sisters and sitches.
The letter fell out, but it's really cute. They did the whole wax
Like the
thing.
king seal thing.
Yeah.
And it's a cute little box. Look at it. So let me tear this paper open.
Okay. Hi, lovely. Welcome to the Hooting Pirates Treasure Box. This box is a way for you to give yourself the gift of time and inspiration. Each box will come filled with delightful gifts, easy activities, and gentle reminders to help you make me time a habit. All right, and this box is $39.99 a month. That seems to be the price point lately. Did you show them the inside of the box before you took everything out?
I did.
All right. All right.
She rides me. She's acting like the older sister right now. She's only 11 months older. Here you go.
Okay, and I'm just going to remind you to show the people the
I know. Cindy told me she was editing some of our videos. I opened a lotion and I kept it down and said, oh, we got a lotion, and I never showed you guys. So I'll lift him up so you can see him this time. Okay, the first thing we have is in all wrapped up, and it is.
Okay, well.
A firefly jar.
Make a twinkly addition to your decor or use it as a nightlight to put a little enchantment into your dreams. There is a charming label created by us and a battery-operated twinkle lights that you can tape to the inside of the lid to capture the magic of a summer night.
Cool.
Well, yeah, you would tape it to the lid, but that would be really cute out on the... show them the light, what it comes with. So you would just kind of stretch it out and put it down into the jar?
They're like the fairy lights that they put in those fairy jars.
Yeah.
So
you would just unwind it so that it's all around. So that'd be really cute on your table outside on your patio.
Innovative way to use a jelly jar.
Oh. All right, what else we got?
A sucker.
Well, there's more treats. So you get yummy treats in every box, apparently.
What's this sucker?
So that is a fancy sweet treat that's gorgeous and quite healthy. These natural rose-flavored lollies are made with high-quality organic ingredients and real rose petals. You have to open it up. You have to try it. It's got real rose petals inside. Have you ever eaten a rose petal?
I've seen people eat roses.
Eat them.
Yeah, they bite the tops off and eat the rose. I'll stay on this side.
No, you can just have it. I'm good. What does it taste like?
Like you're sucking on perfume.
Really?
Just taste it.
No.
Come on, taste it. It's like perfume. It tastes like you just kissed someone's neck who has a ton of perfume on.
No, but then after you get it through your mouth, it has a nice little aftertaste.
You guys ever chew that lavender gum back when we were younger? It's in the purple box and it was purple gum. It was called lavender and they had the mints like it. This is what it reminds me of. I love those lavender
Well,
mints,
the other part of the yummy treats they give you is this organic chamomile, elderflower, lavender, licorice, lime flower, marigold tea. So here you go. It's by Puka or Pucka. I don't know. I'm not much of a tea person. I mean, I drink tea, but all right. So what else did they get? So we got our firefly light. We got some yummy treats.
You got some Enchanted Garden stickers.
What better way to decorate your planner or scrapbook for spring than with these gorgeous garden themed stickers, butterflies and flowers.
Listen, you like these because they're all pink. There's the flowers.
Oh,
Here's
it's
the
like
butterflies.
a little, oh. I would
For
probably,
scrapbooking.
yeah, but I could use it in just my daily journal, my diary, whatever you want to call it. And when you're having a good day, slap a butterfly on there, and then when you go back and read it, you're like, oh.
I had one tattooed on my ankle. I'm good in the butterfly department.
So cute little stickers. And
Then it
then
looks like we have some flower seeds because it says the hum of the bees is the voice of the garden. And I'm shaking it. It just sounds like
oh yeah, it's
flower
just
seeds. So we need those in your yard because we're planting.
Non-GMO, untreated, open pollinated.
We'll have to stick those in like a pot on your desk.
Well, it says growing directions. Plant seeds in cultivated soil in full sun after all danger of frost is past. Keep well watered until seedlings reach 4 inches tall. Cut dead blossoms to encourage. All right. It's a weddingpacket.com. Huh. We'll have to see what flowers come up. And then they give you a tassel charm mini craft kit. Add a bit of fun and happy to any bag or planner. This enjoyable and easy craft can be completed quickly, giving you a bit of me time. And then they give you a sample.
So look, it comes all in this, well, it comes all in these little pieces that you have to put together.
Right, and they give you the instructions on how to do it, and this is what the finished product will look like.
Let me see. Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's cute.
And last but not least, a bracelet.
Bracelet!
Very
This
pretty.
is a silver
It looks
bracelet
like
with
opal.
enamel leaves. This delicate bracelet is a lovely addition to any outfit.
Wow, that's very delicate and pretty.
It says it's fresh and light. Its everyday elegance can remind you of a peaceful, lovely garden, or to take time to smell the proverbial roses, or to at least take three deep breaths when you're outside.
Cindy likes to multiply her bracelets, so
Well, don't you?
I don't know how. I don't even know how to get this one on.
There you
There.
go.
There you go.
It's cute. It is. It's really cute.
What is it, like copper or? I can't
It
even
says
tell the
silver.
color. Huh.
All right. And
All right.
actually, is there nothing
That's
in
the
there?
that's
Oh,
what that
okay.
was.
So this was $39.99. I do like the idea of this charm because you can put it off your purse. You could put it off,
Your luggage.
yeah, your luggage, or I don't know, off of anything that would, off your key ring. It could be like an addition to your key ring. And you make it yourself. So if you just need a little bit of time to de-stress and actually do something, I do like to do these kind of little things like that. I need instructions. I can't come up with it on my own. But, so you like sucking on people's perfumed necks?
I'm getting into this little, I'm hitting the rose petals right now.
All right. So for $39.99, you got your firefly jar. You got your sucker and your tea, your organic tea. You got your mini charm, mini craft kit. So you get one of these in every box. You got the silver bracelet. And, you got the seeds for the flowers, and you got some stickers.
And some station. Oh, it's stickers.
Yeah. So,
What a rosy box. What? It's part of the box. It can't be distracting. It's part of the box.
It's distracting to me. I don't know about
I don't care
everybody
about
else. All right, let us know what you think of the Hooting Pirates treasure box. This is the June box, and so it's coming. It's available on June. What did I say? June 1st. These little cards that you can cut out for reminders. Take time to journal. See if it lights you up. Watch the birds while you're enjoying your favorite morning drink.
I do like
Pick up
doing
your
that.
favorite hobby again or start a new one. So, I mean, this is a really good idea that you can print like and cut these up and maybe put it in a jar, and then once a week you pull out a card, so you have to take some me time to do something. So that's kind of what these little cards are for. All right, what'd you think?
I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I think the bracelet saves the box, because without it, it would be like,
I like the little charm thing, and I like the concept of this. And actually, we could probably make these. Now, this is a great idea, actually, that you can make at home and get some lights to do it. So, because that would be really pretty, like on your table, like around your...
Well, I bought a fairy. I bought these little fairies in a little town called LeClaire, Iowa. And they had same thing. It was a ball jar that the lady had hand painted, and she put the two fairies that you were buying on the jar, and she put the little fairy lights in there and they would sparkle.
Oh.
So it drew me to it. I bought it.
All right, well, let us know what you think of the box. Let us know if you think it's worth a second chance, if this is the kind of box. So it gives you sweet treats, it gives you a little craft to do, it gives you a home decor, it gives you some crafting and scrapbooking and journaling items for the month. So it's a little bit of everything. So it's a unique box. And this is by Kara, who owns the company. All right, so another new box. Hope you're not tired of the new boxes. We still have more that are coming, which we'll do another filming day. But with that, I think we're done. So thanks for spending some time with us. We do really appreciate
I'm
it.
going to take my distracting sucker with me.
All right, hopefully it won't be in the next video.
Maybe.
Until then, we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.